If you're juggling 10 video apps and crying into your coffee, stop now. SnapNinja AI 2.0 promises to replace that chaos quickly and cheaply. It says you can record, edit, and publish from one dashboard. Let's test if this tool is genuinely worth your time and money. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here with 6 years testing tools. I review real results, not marketing fluff or flashy claims. Today, I put SnapNinja AI 2.0 through practical use cases. Expect honest findings, clear pros, clear cons, and my recommendation. Grab SnapNinja through my link below for exclusive bonuses. These are extras I created to speed your first wins. Details and delivery instructions live in the description box. Using the bonus can save setup time and boost early conversions. SnapNinja AI 2.0 is a browser-based AI video creation software. It targets creators, affiliate marketers, course creators, and freelancers. Core benefit: create ready-to-publish videos without deep technical skills. It promises one-time pricing rather than monthly subscription fees. 3 simple steps describe how it works in practice. Step 1. Log into your SnapNinja dashboard and choose a tool. The onboarding is simple and faster than installing heavy editors. Step 2. Record your screen, webcam, or upload an existing video. You can also ask the AI to edit or repurpose your footage. Step 3. Export in multiple dimensions and publish across platforms. The process aims to minimize friction and speed up output. Here are the real features that move the needle for creators. Screen and face recording in the browser removes messy file syncing. This saves time and reduces upload and conversion headaches. Quick editing tools let you trim, cut, and resize within minutes. That means faster repurposing across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. AI voiceovers and auto caption generation reduce outsourcing costs. You get usable narration and subtitles without hiring freelancers. A commercial license is included for selling videos to clients. This matters for freelancers and agencies wanting to scale services. The launch price shown on the sales page is $15. Front end, a one-time fee of $15 during launch. Competitor Loom charges roughly $10 per month currently. Another cloud editor can cost $20 monthly or more. Over a year, those subscriptions quickly exceed the one-time cost. If you publish frequently, the one-time model can be economical. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Do you know, AI is putting people left and right out of business, which can be scary for some people. But for us, we see this as an opportunity. It's an opportunity that allows us to profit from. One of the industries that got hit severely is video editing. AI will soon replace every one of them. But if you are someone looking to exploit that to make money like this, then listen up. We created world's first AI app that lets you record, screen capture, and edit your videos in just 60 seconds without installing any extension. It is everything that an experienced video editor can do, only 9 times better and faster than anyone. Not just that, it also creates screen recording and takes screen capture for your video within a fraction of the time. Here are the amazing features blow up your mind. Record your screen with one click without installing any software, take screenshot of entire screens from laptop in easy manner, edit any videos like Pro in just a few clicks, create and make animated videos with AI, generate subtitles for your video automatically, add a logo to your video without any difficulties, compress your video to the size that you desire, cut the video to the perfect length instantly, join several videos together to double the video fun, get the wrong angle when shooting? Get right by rotating video. Cut your video in several parts and clicks. Edit video subtitles, captions online. Upload a video or photo and create a meme in seconds. Convert text to creative images with an AI image generator. Convert MP4 to MP3 online for free in seconds. Resize video online to fit different social media platforms. Convert audio files to MP3 with a few clicks. Convert your audio files to MP3 or WAV format quickly. Share your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Download your online screenshot in just a few clicks. Share your screen online in just a few clicks. Download your screen online in just a few clicks. Set up subdomains and advanced SSL. No domain and hosting required. Free SSL included, no technical skills required. 24/7 premium support to solve all your issues on time. Commercial license included. All of those videos were generated with the power of our specialized AI engine with zero work or experience. All we did was tell our AI what we wanted to generate, and that's it. Without designing anything, without recording anything, and without editing or montaging anything. Not only does SnapNinja AI 2.0 generate, edit, and montage any video you want, it also comes with over 50 other video tools completely powered by AI and tons of other features. Not just that, it also generates any image or design you may need in your videos. Listen, you don't need any kind of experience to get started with SnapNinja AI 2.0. All you need is to click a few buttons and that's it. Here, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1, log into SnapNinja AI 2.0 AI dashboard. Step 2, select the feature you want for your video. AI will do all the work for you. Step 3, enjoy. AI will give you your new video within seconds. That's it. SnapNinja AI 2.0 works for everyone. Affiliate marketers, product owners, coaches, e-com store owners, agency owners, and anyone who is looking to make a side income online. How much is this going to cost me? In simple words, SnapNinja AI 2.0 is priceless. It's the first to market app that does everything for you, leaving one job to you: profits. I can literally charge tens of thousands of dollars for it, but I make enough money for using SnapNinja AI 2.0, so I don't need to charge you that. I use it on a daily basis, so I don't see why I should give you access to it. So for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you access of SnapNinja AI 2.0 for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner, which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running SnapNinja AI 2.0, but that won't last long. While SnapNinja AI 2.0 is impossible to saturate, our servers can only handle so many users. So sadly, I'll have to limit the number of licensees I can give. After that, I'm raising the price to $997 monthly. And trust me, that day will come very, very soon. So you better act quickly and grab your copy while you can. Listen, right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. And in the unlikely event that you failed to use SnapNinja AI 2.0 for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. Click the button below and get access to SnapNinja AI 2.0, plus an exclusive bundle of bonuses worth over $10,000. I'll see you inside.
The funnel includes several optional upgrades for power users. OTO1 is Premium Edition for $47. It unlocks AI voiceovers, auto captions, and 500 templates. Buy this if you need large template libraries and faster content. OTO2 is Unlimited Edition for $67. This removes creation limits and gives unlimited voiceovers and exports. I recommend this for daily creators and agency operators. OTO3 is the Audiobook Edition priced at $97. It converts articles, PDFs, and URLs into ebooks and flipbooks. This suits course creators or info product entrepreneurs who repurpose content. OTO 4 is done for you for $97 as well. Service teams will set up accounts and create initial content. Useful if you prefer a near plug-and-play launch experience. OTO 5 is Visual Edition for $47. It provides millions of stock images and premium video assets. Perfect when you need fresh visuals without stock subscription fees. OTO 6 is Agency Edition, priced from $97 to $197. This enables client accounts, billing, and rebranding tools for agencies. OTO 7 is Reseller Edition, between $67 and $97. It allows reselling access to others as a package service. OTO 8 is White Label Edition at $297. That includes code and install rights to host your own branded app. I ran my usual test scenarios on a live project. I recorded a walkthrough, trimmed it, added captions, and exported. The whole workflow took under 20 minutes from start to finish. I then created a vertical cut suitable for shorts in 5 minutes. AI voiceover quality was usable for promos, not studio-grade production. The captions performed well with minor timing adjustments needed. Overall time saved was approximately 3 hours versus manual editing. That time equals more content, more tests, or client billable hours. This tool is not a replacement for high-end motion design. If you need advanced compositions, use After Effects or similar tools. It won't promise viral views without good thumbnails and hooks. SnapNinja simplifies production, but promotion still takes skill and effort. You must still craft angles, titles, and distribution strategies for success. Here are practical first-week steps to get immediate momentum. Day 1, record 3 short clips testing different hooks and styles. Day 2, pick the best performing clip for a long-form edit. Day 3, repurpose the same clip into 3 vertical variants. Day 4, test 2 different titles and 2 different thumbnails. Day 5, measure retention and click-through rate on uploads. Day 6, tweak captions and add a stronger call to action. Day 7, analyze results and plan content for the next week. Thumbnails still move the needle more than AI engines. Use bold text, a clear face, and strong emotional expression. Keep thumbnail text short and readable at small sizes. A/B testing thumbnails will reveal quick wins and impressions. Also try short, punchy descriptions with timestamps and resource links. If you sell video services, add a simple pricing page. Show before and after clips in a short case study. Use the included commercial license to protect your client agreements. Invoice for value and include a revision round in your offer. Expect support tickets with edge cases and odd browsers sometimes. Be ready to test in Chrome and Firefox on launch day. Record a short demo to include in your onboarding materials. This reduces support questions and speeds up client handoffs. Refund policy on the page offers 30 days money back. That reduces buyer risk and helps early adopters test faster. Keep screenshots and timestamps for refund disputes if needed. Use reasonable expectations and give the tool fair testing time. Final quick tip, prioritize content consistency over fancy features early. Volume and clarity beat fancy editing for your first 3 months. Use SnapNinja to build consistent practice and refine your angle. Upgrade only when you scale output beyond the base package capabilities. Imagine waking up with a simple video funnel running smoothly. Imagine repurposing one core video into 5 platform-specific pieces. That increased output can multiply reach and potential revenue streams. For many creators, SnapNinja AI 2.0 makes that possible faster. The low entry price reduces risk and increases speed to testing. If you plan to create occasional videos, the base package suffices. If you plan daily uploads or client services, consider Unlimited Edition. Agencies should evaluate the Agency Edition and white label options carefully. Done for You helps those who want quick results without setup work. Match your purchase to your business model and content volume. Ready to try SnapNinja AI 2.0 and skip the subscription treadmill? Check the description for my exclusive bonuses and quick start guides. Grab the package that matches your goals and test it on one project. If it saves time and improves output, reinvest savings into promotion. Questions about the features, OTOs, or my testing process? Drop your questions in the comments and I will reply with details. Like the video if this review saved you time and frustration. Subscribe for more honest tool tests from someone who actually uses them. I am Kamal from TestedApps.com. Thanks for watching and see you next time.